It was a beautiful sunny day. Ayyad was playing in his favorite garden. Wait, what is that? Ayyad found something small shaking on the ground. Oh no, a tiny bird had fallen from its nest. It looked so lonely. Don't be afraid, little friend. Ayyad will help you. Ayyad made a cozy bed to keep the little bird warm and safe. Chirp, chirp, the little bird was thirsty. Good job, Ayyad. Look, high up in the tree, the bird's family was calling for him. 1, 2, 3, fly! The little bird was home at last. Mum and Dad were so proud. Ayyad has a very big heart. Being kind to animals is the best way to be a hero.